how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet connection on iPhone. So if you want to fix the problem of Wi-Fi connected but no internet connection on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to remove your internet cable or turn off your Wi-Fi router and turn it back on, and also turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi network. Mostly these simple things can solve your problem. But if you still have the issues, check out the next process, solution 1. Forget the Wi-Fi router. You need to open up your settings, and under settings you need to just go with the Wi-Fi section. Under Wi-Fi you need to go with the info, and here you will have forget this network. Tap on forget, and after forgetting you need to again go with the same network and enter your password and go with join, and this might fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to just go with your settings again. Under settings you need to scroll down and go with privacy and security, go with screen time. Under screen time, scroll down, go with content and privacy restrictions. From the content and privacy restrictions, you will have an option to turn this off. So you just need to simply go and turn it off, and this might fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, then again you need to open up your settings. Under settings, scroll down, go with general section. Under general, scroll down and go with transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and reset your network settings. After resetting, your problem will be fixed. So these were a few solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.